Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to our logical YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your location in Happn app. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the Happn app, and once you open it, and make sure you have already logged in as well. And now right after that you will be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Happn apps on in the screen, where you can see the map option just down below of this dashboard. Just tap on the map and you can see there are no any option to change your locations, but what you can do is you simply need to shift to somewhere and Happn gonna change your location automatically by itself. And another way is by going to be through enabling your VPN. So once you enable your VPN, simply restart the application and yeah, you will be able to change your location successfully. So basically this is how you can change your location in Happn, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, so basically this is how you can change your location in Happn app. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.